protection signage was largely compliant, and if anything, there was a lack of compliance to road safety signals on the bus driver side.
Umbike waphambi kwesikhathi wengozi ebulela abantwana besikole eMiddelburg eMpumalanga uveza bona umtshayeli webhesi nguye ongakhange alandele umthetho wendlela.
This exercise that this state wants the court to embark upon is nothing else but to remove this embarrassment that is on their table.
Amagqwetha ajamela abasole ecaleni lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa asole umbuso ngokufuna ukulungisa ubuchapho wawo ngokubiza ngobutsha ubufakazi obesele afakazile. Sihlanganisele etafuleni yendaba zesiNdebele kwa SABC eAuckland Park ziza kuwe sisatshisa Lotshani Makaya. Iphenya langaphambi kwesikhathi lengozi eyenzeke ngelesithathu phakathi kwebhesi ethutha abantwana besikolo nesitimela esithutha impahla liveze ukuthi umtshayeli webhesi akhange alandele umthetho wendlela la kuphambana khona indlela. Ingozi le yenzeke ngeveke ephelele kwendleleni R104 phakathi kweArnold Wonderfontein eMiddelburg eMpumalanga. Engozini le kubhubhe abafundi abasithandathu kwalimala abali-19 bagijinyiselwa esibhedlela kanti ababunane babo basalatshwa esibhedlela.
Ingozi emasikizi ebulala abafundi abasithandathu kanti babili abafundi abalimala ukubabazeka basalashwe esibhedlela bekube nje. iTransnet ikhupha umbiko wangaphambi kwesikhathi wephenyo layo oveza umkhanyo walokho okwenzekileke engozini le. Umbiko lo uveza ukuthi umtshayeli webhesi le akhanga alandela umthetho wendlela la kuphambana khona indlela kanti bekube nje umtshayeli webhesi lo akakabi ukubotshwa.
The railway safety regulator has completed its investigation, its preliminary one, and findings show that the level crossing protection signage was largely compliant, and if anything, there was a lack of compliance to road safety signals on the bus driver side. The railway safety regulator, together with the Road Traffic Management Corporation and road traffic authorities, will work together to finalizing any further investigations that are required.
Nanyana kunjalo kodwana umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi nezevikeleko uthi ababelana abahlukileko baphenya unobangela wengozi le kanti bazokukhupha umbiko emvekeni ezimbali ezizako.
The investigation is ongoing. In terms of the standards, we have about 30 days or so for the investigators to complete their work. Remember, there might be other allegations that are made that the police needs to investigate. We are not saying we don't have complete information, but the allegations that come forward that might be investigated.
Nakusenjalo ikonzo yesikhumbuzo izokubanja ngelesithathu kanti kulindeleke ukuthi bangqwaje bonke ngasikhathi sinye ngomgqibelo.
Ilimele ihlangano ye-EFF ngokubulawa kwesekela likanobhala weGauteng uMoshe Mphahlele. Ngokutsho kwestatement esikhutshwe baholi i-EFF eGauteng kuthiwa uMphahlele udunyeze nabeka semchakalweni wokulwela izenzelo ezifana nezindlu eAlexander Izolo ebusuku. I-EFF ithi ikampani yabogadi bekungakafanele idumuze ngenkulu ezibulalako ngombana umchakalo beunganakuguruzela. I-EFF ithi abathathelwa amagadango aqinileko ababulele ilunga labo.
He was actually doing his oversight as a councillor, and also there were people who have been left stranded here for a very long time, and they wanted to really be allocated on these containers which have been standing for almost 3 years now. So Mphahlele was doing his own oversight to check if these containers are ready, what are the issues. So I called him as well. So he called me yesterday. Said he was seeing a lot of, the security which was here. Also, there were some JMPD guys that were here as well. So I told everyone they must stand down and everything. And then we chatted. And then even Mphahlele said we agreed that what is going to need to happen. That we need to put up a motion in the council so that now the council can expedite the allocation of these places here. So he agreed with me. We agreed. He was very jovial. He was relaxed. So to our surprise, when we got a call at about 5-6 o'clock that he has been shot, allegations are that the stun grenade was actually put in people who were demonstrating very peacefully. So the community is saying that when he came out on that wall there, he was actually, when he jumped over, he was already bleeding, saying to us that he must have been shot. So the police and the securities that were guarding here, and so they have a different version, saying that no, they've been shot at. We found that it doesn't make any sense.
Amagqwetha ajamele abantu belibhi abamachumi athobako nahlanu abatholakele bathwasiselwa ubujoni ekampeni ethile kwe-White River eMpumalanga balila ngokuthi abakaphathwa kuhle ejele leBaptina batsho bafuna ukusiwa ejele leNaspoti bavele kafitshazana ekhotho kamagistrata we-White River kuzwakala bona bangena enarheni le ngencwadi ezingakatlolwa ngefanelo
bavele kafitshazana ekhotho kanti ababika indaba akhange bavunyelwe bona babaveza ubuso abasolwa bamachumi athobako nahlanu bangene kwaminyana ekhotho basolwa ngokuphula umthetho wokungena kwamaphandle enarheni le icala lithulisiwe bona kuyokuphenyisiswa.
I'm satisfied from the defense that they do not have an objection. Therefore, the court do not need to consider in detail the reason for the postponement.
Abasolwa bafuna ukususwa ejele leBarberton basiwe ke leNaspoti eMpumalanga ngombana batsho abakaphathwa kuhle lapho kunjalo nje nokudla kwakhona akusimhlobo wokudla abakudlako amagqwetha abo aba ukuthi umbuso ungahabu babuyisele elizweni lekhabo.
The treatment that they're getting there, the food they're getting there is less than adequate, and they are, as they are Muslim people from Libya, they need certain requirements that perhaps you and I don't. And then with regard to prospects of success, it's difficult to say at this point. I mean, we're confident in our instructions, we're confident in terms of what our case is.
Ngaphandle kwekhotho bekunokusilingeka nokukhululwa zinhloko bafuna ukubuyisela ekhaya. Umbuso uthi limbi khulu icala labasolwa babo.
The accused before this court are foreign nationals. We don't know where they are currently residing. If you release them on bail, there is a likelihood that they must evade trial and also that they might not attend the court until.
Imphathimandla ziphenya bona ayikho enye ikampani eMpumalanga ethwasisela ubujoni ngemva kokutholakala kwali.
We cannot confirm that we are investigation, but up to so far there is nothing that we have covered on that regard. As for the farm owner, let's wait for whether is he arrested or not.
Umphathi we-Military Day Security Services uyaphenywa indawo le ivaliwe icala lisithuliswe lomhla ka-26 kuRhoboyi abasolwa babuyiswe esitokisini.
I-ANC ithembise ukuthi izokuthoma kumasipalata wedorobha leJohannesburg ukuhlalisa izinto ngamananeko wakhona. Umengameli wehlangano ANC uCyril Ramaphosa utshele ikomiti ekulu yehlangano kunye nobuholi besifunda seGauteng ukuthi insombululo zomraro wobuholi eJohannesburg kunye nesokufikisa izenzelwe emphakathini. Izakhamuzi zeJohannesburg zithitshelekile ngobuholi obungasebenzi ngefanele kunye nokuhlayela kwezenzelwa.
Idorobha leJohannesburg ekhabe kuthiwa lidorobha elihle nelikhamba phambili enarhakazini yeAfrika. iJohannesburg yaziwa ngokuthi lidorobha elihanyazela ngegolide kodwana njenganje angekho usatsho ngombana idorobheli selihwahlaphele izenzelwa ziyahlayela ipolitiki yona ihlangahlangene. Izakhamuzi kunje ezilila ngemali yegezi engezeleleko yikampani ephakela igezi City Power ekibe ngapha kunandi iqindelisa igezi. Umengameli we-ANC uthi kwanje khona akulungiswe ubuchaphubu idorobheli libuyele libe lidorobha elihle njengekuthomeni.
Part of what the ANC is going to do now is to focus very seriously on the local government sphere and work to stabilize at that level. And he made a reference to one municipality that was starting in Johannesburg. Because we're not going to sit by and say, oh no, there's load reduction in Johannesburg, people are complaining about electricity, but we as national government, we've sorted out ESCOM, there's no load shedding, but people are not having electricity on the other side.
I-SACP ithi ayikathabi nakancane ngendlela ikhethe ngayo ngokubusa ngombuso webumbano. Ithi likhutla kufanele ize nemphakamiso eziqinileko zokusombulula umraro womnotho wekhetho obokabokako.
The best way to make South Africans happy is to raise their standards of living, is to create employment for the unemployed, is to uplift the poor out of poverty, is to raise the standards of living of those who are affected by inequality. Especially in rural areas, we have a problem.
uRamaphosa uyokuvala umhlangano welokhohla kusasa lapha kuqalwe ukuthi avele namahlelo wesiqundo sehlangano lewo ukuthi bazokusiza njani kubohulumende bemakhaya nofana kibo masipalata njengoba naku izinto zichugulukile endabeni zepolitiki sekusikhathi kwanje sikahulumende webumbano.
Amagqwetha ajamela abasolwa ekulalelweni kwecala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa asole umbuso ngokufuna ukulungisa umonakalo owenzileko ngokubiza ngobutsha ubufakazi osisazi esizocozulula ilwazi lama cellphone uColonel Lambertus Steyn. Umbuso ufake isibawo sokuthi uSteyn abuye godu azokuhlathulula ukuhlukana kobufakazi bakhe nalobo besikhulu sezesayensi eVodacom uPinky Veitelingham malungana nokudoselana kwemitato umsola wesihlanu ufisa ukuhle Nduli noKelly Khumalo.
Umbuso uthi ukuqozulula ngobutsha kwemininingwana kafunjathwako nguColonel Lambertus Steyn kuzokuletha ubulungiswa ukuhlathulula ngcono imitato emibili ekuthiwa batsho umsola wesihlanu ufisa ukuhle Nduli wayedosela uKelly Khumalo mhlana amalanga amabili kuRhobo 2014 namhlana amalanga ali-15 kuSewula ngo2014 imalanga enambalwa ngaphambi kokuthi kubulawe uMeyiwa. Isikhulu sephiko lesiforensic eVodacom uPinky Veitelingham wathula ubufakazi bokuthi akhange bafumana inomboro zikaNduli kumarekhodi wabo emalangeni amabili layo wathi kunalokho kunabanye abantu ababili abadosela uKelly Khumalo umtato.
We submit, my lord, that it is essential that Lieutenant Colonel Steyn be recalled in order to clarify these aspects so that the truth can be determined and thereby enabling the court to arrive at a just decision on the case. And we submit, my lord, that there might be fail of justice if such explanation it's not considered.
Nakusenjalo kuvezwe ukuthi kuqhakathekile ukuthi uSteyn azokuhlathulula ukuze kutholakale iqiniso nokuthi ikhotho ikhona ukukhipha isiqondo esinobulungiswa. Nanyana kunjalo kodwana uadvocate Zithulele Nxumalo oligqwetha lomsola wesine uthe ezinye inombolo ezadosela uKelly Khumalo ngezomvumi uAda Mafokate kunye noSenzo Meyiwa.
Accused number 5 and Ms. Kelly Khumalo are the masterminders who were masterminding the commission of this offense. To an extent that accused number 5, Mr. Nduli, he procured the services of the other accused in the commission of the murder.
Kanti nakusenjalo amiso sokuthi umsola wesine kunye noKelly Khumalo babe bongqondo eqale neli nokwenze ukuthi uNduli asiza abanye abasolwa.
Chief Justice Raymond Zondo uthabile ngoba uzokuthi achiya umsebenzi wakhe njengomongameli wamajaji ikhibe kunabo abahlanu abaphethe inkhundla ezikulu zemakhotho. Lokho njengoba namhlanje uZondo athome ihlelo lokugidinga abomma abamajaji abenza kuhle i2024 Bridget Mabandla Aspirant Women Judges ebanjelwe eRosebank eJohannesburg. Ihlelo leli kuhloswe ngalo ukubandula abomma abamajaji abenza kuhle ukwenzela ukungezelela amakhono wabo ukhethwa emsebenzini emihle wamajaji.
Njengomana beka phasi ekupheleni kukaRhoboyi umengameli wamajaji uChief Justice Raymond Zondo uthabile ngetutuko eyenziwe bomma abasenkhundleni eziphezulu ezihlukahlukene kwemakhotho ngesikhathi sakhe sokuphatha.
I'm very happy to see that as I am about to retire, the representation of women among the heads of superior courts has increased. We now have 5 heads of courts.
Njengomana ihlelo liliraga nje lilithwayo lokujameleka kobulili ngokuhlukahlukana emajajini. Kanti uZondo ugandelele indlela namakhono afunekako emntwini nakaza kusebenza ngefanelo njengejaji.
You must fear nobody. You must favor nobody. You must not have prejudice against anybody when you make the decisions that you are called upon to make.
Ngo-2023 ihlelweli liqede ukubandula amajaji ngokhukhulamungu wangomnyaka opheleleko, kanti amaphesenti ama-75 wamajaji bowasebenza emakhotho ahlukahlukeneko. Ungqongqotjhe walokhu uBridget Mabandla odosa phambili ihlelo elisize abantu abafana nomengameli we-SCAL ubeke ngalindlela nakakhuthaza amajaji asazokusebenza.
I want to say in this month of August, Malibongwe, the gains of women's struggles in the past 30 years have been phenomenal. Let's build on this. We dare not fail the people of South Africa.
Nasibuya entolo.
I-website le izohelebha kakhulu abantwana abasenkolweni mabangena phasi amabangena phezulu nabasebenzisi khulu thina sibasebenzisi belimi.
Kwembulwe umzinzilwazi obunothileko belimi lesindebele obuzokulonda nokuthuthukisa konke kwesindebele. Sisaraga nendaba lapha kazindabezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Umndeni wesilukazi esineminyaka elikhulu nomnyaka munye ubudala ekuzwakala bona sigadwe umuntu omduna oneminyaka ema-27 ubudala eCyprus kwaDlawulale eLimpopo ufuna ubulungiswa. Ugogo kuzwakala bona ungenelwe umuntu alele ngomgqibelo ekseni. Amapholisa athi umsolwa ungene ngefestiri batsho wafika wakhama ugogo kwabe ngahlanye uyamgada ngaphambi kokuthi abaleke. Ugogo sizwe bona usesibhedlela ulimele khulu. Ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo eyaziwa ngethungulelwano lesindebele yathule ngokusemthethweni ubunzinzolwazi obuzokusiza ukufundisa lula ilimi lesindebele ku-internet. Ihlangano le ithi ngalokhu ibinge ukwenza bona isindebele sikhambisane nesikhathi se-digital lapho iningi labantu khulukhulu abatsha sebafumana khona ilwazi ku-internet. Umnyanya bewubanjelwe kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga kanti umbike nabawethu Comfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Mnyanyo khanjelwe bosolimi inthekele ezivele embusweni abalingisi bemidlalo yesindebele abagwali nabavumi bomvumo wesikhethu bonke njalo bancamela ukuba khona ngenyama njengoba isindebele sithathela inye igadango letuthuko nokukhambisana nesikhathi. Amalunga wehlangano yaziwa ngethungelelwano lesindebele le bathi lokho kuvulele nabanye abantu amathuba omsebenzi kanti nabanye ababelani babethi izandla baqedi ngomsebenzi lo.
I-project le sithena siyithomako i-project le iyavulela abantu abangu-71 abantu abatsha umsebenzi bebakhamba bahubhulula basifunela izinto zesikhethu emphakathini bawuletha ke umsebenzi loyo wahlolwa malunga welimu bawuphasisa umsebenzi loyo. Emva kwalokho ke safaka inthombe safaka nehlathululo ukuthi into enje uyihlathulula kanjani.
Ngicabanga ukuthi i-website le izohelebha kakhulu abantwana abasenkolweni mabangena phasi amabangena phezulu nabasebenzisi khulu thina sibasebenzisi belimi ngoba siyahlayelelwa kakhulu yi-terminology yesindebele.
Abatshotshozeli belimi lesindebele nabo bayabuka.
Kumele ukuthi sifake ulwazi oluningi ulwazi lube accurately ulwazi lakade sibuye sibhala umlando ngobutsha sihubhulule sekwazi ukuthi sibhale izinto eziyangendlela erehe ngesindebele.
Somkhandlu wezamasiko zemidlalo nokuzigedla eMpumalanga ufana Mlombo uthi ukukhulunywa ngamalanga kwelimi lesindebele nokufakwa kwalo kubunzinzolwazi kuzokwenza isindebele sifumana ihlonipho efaneleko.
Respect ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuziqhenya, abantu bakwazi ukuzigqaja and abantu bakwazi ukuhlonipheka, isizwe samaNdebele sikwazi ukuhlonipheka.
Kanti amagadango afana nala ngamanye wamagadango okuthoma ukuqinisekisa ukuthi Abantu abatsha babamba amalimi abo bakhambisane nawo bangene ebutshelela njengoba nasi ngena ku-4th Industrial Revolution. Bangene lapho bazikhulumela isikhabo singajuguluki isikhambisane nesikhathi njengalo ilimi lesindebele. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngwamhlanga eMpumalanga.
Izakhamuzi zeniyane ngaphandle kwemusini eLimpopo, Magega nomkhawulo weSouth Africa neZimbabwe zithi zihlalele evalweni ukulandela izehlakalo eziningi zokwetshiwa kwenkoloyi endaweni le. Amalunga omphakathi athi ukwetshiwa nokumuka kwabantu inkoloyi zabo sekufike ezingeni elithusako. Kanti ukwetshiwa kwefuyo nakho kuthwelele khulu enyangeni ezisanda ukudlula. Amapolisa athi inkoloyi ezetshiweko nefuyo zikhukhuthiselwa eZimbabwe.
Izakhamuzi zalapha zithwenyekile zithi ukuthathelwa kwabantu inkoloyi nokwetshiwa kwefuyo seyinto enzeka ngamalanga kusukela emvekeni ezimbalwa ezidlulileko. Uvetse van der Westhuizen mlimi eMadimbo ungatshayela imizuzu ema-20 kusuka khona ufike emkhawulweni. Usinde ezehlakalweni ezintathu zokuthathela ikoloyi ezinilelesi ezihlome kwamambala nezinelunye enyangeni ezisanda ukudlula.
It's a big problem with some around here. This over the weekend they tried to steal my bakkie. Luckily I wasn't on the farm that time. They came in my yard. There was a place there where it was dark where they sat, was waiting for me to arrive.
Omyabondo naye uthuke kumbi ngemva kokusahlelwa zinilelesi ezihlomileko zabaleka neveni yakhe emvekeni ezimbalwa ezidlulileko. Amapolisa namalunga omphakathi alandelela imhlala iveni leyo yabadosela emlanjeni Limpopo ngaphandlenyana kweMalale.
Natikatoma uri uve na chumisana makata vukati ya mapolisa a South Africa na Zimbabwe.
I would like to see the South African police and the Zimbabwean police working together because the police in Zimbabwe indicated that there is no We just went there and fetched our car and they were surprised that why did the South African police call them regarding the stolen cars.
Abafuye endaweni le nabo balila kangako ngefuyo abe yetshiwa mlibe. Abaholi bomphakathi bathi akuthunyelwa amapolisa ngobunengi eniyani. Emphathimandla zemapholiseni eLimpopo zithi bakhandela khulu ezetshiweko ezibiza imali engaphezulu kwe-24 million yamarandi enyangeni ezisanda ukudlula.
In terms of the successes that we already made, there's several people that we already arrested involved in the smuggling of vehicles, and then also in terms of those who are the smuggling of illicit cigarette. As you can know it very well, we have arrested the people, including our own police officers.
Nakusenjalo botsha abasola bangaphezulu kwekhulu ngemva kokufunyanwa nentakamizwa negwayi elingasisemthethweni emalangeni adlulileko.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi kungenziwani ukuqeda ukwetshiwa kwempahla ekhethwa apha yeqiselwe elizweni leZimbabwe. Asiqala umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Mina njengokushoyo uwiki kakhulu umthetho emngcelweni. Umngcela ugadiwe ngokwanele.
Amasoja wethu namaphoyisa wethu mabangayekela indaba yetshotsho kuthanda imali lapha ephona gedini kuzoba right.
Kumele ukuthi bayekele indaba le yokuthi one country for all. Into le yasibulalisa ngoba amaphandla azenzela abantu bathi bakhululekile ngenqaya ka one country for all.
Into endiyibonayo mina kwaba basiphetheyo abevani bona bebodwa. Omnyuka vele namaplana right malunga nabangenayo eSouth Africa nabaphumayo nezinto ezingenayo. Omnye afaka omnye akhipha omnye acebisa omnye amosha kwakho.
Inkinga lenesibhekene nayo kulelizwe emsakazi and uhulumeni ophethe lelizwe uthule ngathi awuyibona inkinga ngabantu bokufika nalemngcele kulelizwe.
Ziyaziwa lezi indawo la kweqiswa khona imfuyo yabantu nemoto zabantu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke akwandisa amasosha noma kuqeqesha intsha yakithi engasebenzi.
Akuqina umthetho lapha emaphorekhi kuvalwe nalapha engiqa khona ematruk yawo siphelile.
Into engaqedwa lento ukususwa kwamazambane abolile labantu ababhekele imingcele. Ngoba labantu abazenzele lezi zinto lezi bane information izinto eziningi badizela labantu abagade imingcele.
Kanti umbono ngembukeli ye-SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ezemali iranda lehlile nalinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu.
Loshane ekhaya ngomvulo othe ukuba makhazana njengoba ubona inkomba zomoya nje livalile ngaleke ngeTshingalanga Kapa kanti ke kusasa sibona ke lapha ikungu engaba khona kezinye indawo namathutshana wezulu angaba khona ngesifundeni seLimpopo kanti ke nangaleke Tjingalanga Kapa likhona ithuba lokuthi kungaba nekungu. Asicalele kuthanjana amazinga okushisa kusesemakhaza pheze inaga yonke ngale ngeSprings kumakhaza imini yonke nangapha ngeJohannesburg eBronkhortspruit kubuye nganeno ngemva kwamadina nge19 iLimpopo ibonakala nayo imakhaza ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sibona ke kuyaphola khulukhulu ePhalabura nge23 ngaleke ngempumalanga siyabona ke ukuthi akhona amathutshana wezulu kumakhaza endaweni eziningi ekseni nebusuku isikhukhuza yona ke ifuthumele ngemva kwamadina nge25 kuthi kezinye indawo ke kupholile kwaZulu Natal ipholile ngemva kwamadina ifuthumele lapha ku Richards Bay nabo Peter Maritzburg endaweni eziningi nje eSouth Africa singase sisho sithi kusesemakhaza sakubona kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido